Tonight we return to the Poetry School blog series, Stanzas for Ukraine. Link in the description. Untitled, The Rain, by Natalka Fursa. Translated by Stephen Komarnyckyj. The rain came to me. The rain came from my daughter. He came from afar. For 2 days he sought the road. The Polish elm stuck to his heels, and the Galatian grass that wiped his feet swirled in the vortex, kneading the cremated ashes of Irpin, cooling the fire in the temple. He returned, utterly dark and barely alive. No, he was no longer bloody, but salty as brine. He crept from the gate to the porch, inaudibly, and knocked, dispersed into a flood on my house's threshold. Forgive me. I will slumber, for in the morning I go east, and really, I came here to gather away your tears. Untitled, The Rain, by Natalka Fursa. Translated by Stephen Komarnyckyj. I always hope that you will follow the links for the biographical information in the description of these poets and translators. I really hope you do in this case. Yeah, she deserves your attention, not that everyone else doesn't. At any rate, please use the links in the description to assist the ongoing humanitarian efforts in Ukraine. If you wish, give me a like, a share, a subscribe. It helps. And I will see you tomorrow.